Welcome back to yet another installment of the Ethernaut series. In this video, we will be going through level 2, which is Fallout. So first, let's grab a fresh instance of the contract. So the objective of this level is for us to claim ownership of the contract. So the contract Fallout has a public variable called owner declared on this line right here. The variable owner can be set to message.sender via this Fallout function. It should be noted right here that there are no safeguards nor modifiers that can potentially prevent someone from calling this Fallout function, meaning anybody who calls this Fallout function will subsequently become the owner of this contract through this line right here. I'm assuming that this Fallout function is supposed to be a constructor based on the comment above. So a brief note on constructors. So constructors are a special kind of function which are only run once at the deployment of the contract. Thereafter, it cannot be run again. However, this Fallout function is unfortunately not a constructor, meaning this will be our primary attack vector, the only one we will actually need. So let's call that await contract.fallout. It's not a function. Let's check out the contracts ABI to see what we're actually allowed to call. So it seems that there is actually a typo in Fallout. It's FAL 1 out. Let's call that instead FAL 1 out. Assuming that this transaction is processed successfully and mined, we should then become the owner of this contract. We can check to see if that is correct right here. Let's just wait for the transaction to be mined. Cool. Let's check if we are the owner of the contract. And it turns out we are. What's left to do? We submit it. We submit this contract instance. And it should indicate that we have solved this level. So that concludes level 2 of Ethernaut. That was quite simple, but the challenges do get more progressively complex and challenging. Stay tuned for more Ethernaut content. Thanks for watching.